Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we are applying at 1.5% mixed sodium hypochlorite. We're going to pre-treat this concrete, sidewalk, driveway, walkway, and also the street gutter with the same mix. And then we're going to do some surface cleaning to clean it up with a nice strong rinse and probably a little post-treatment off camera. So stay tuned. Here we are with the Mini Mondu 31-inch surface cleaner, 10 gallon a minute pressure washer that's powering this machine. So we're gonna make some passes. We're starting on the street apron. This is the apron right here of the driveway. So we would like to get this surface cleaned up, and then we like to do the sidewalk. At least I do, and then I'll start on the driveway. I like to do the sidewalk in front of the driveway. And if it's a short piece like it was on this side, I'll go ahead and take care of that too. That way, it's just less on the rinsing, and when I'm coming down making my passes, if I already have this stuff broken up, for me it just makes a little difference. So we're just doing sideway patterns and vertical patterns here to get this thing cleaned up. Again, we're using a Mini Mondo 31-inch surface cleaner, 10 gallon a minute pressure washer. Okay, enjoy the washing. Okay, we got that driveway all surface clean, except we have one sidewalk left, but it's the longer piece of the sidewalk. But right here we are rinsing off and blowing a little debris out of the crack of this driveway. We have some lines, so we are going to post treat to help with those lines, to help get those down, and also to make the driveway pop a little harder by putting the post treatment down on it once we're done. Right here we are just rinsing off some of the stuff that we had cleaned up prior, the sidewalks. We're rinsing this out with a nice rinse here, and then we're gonna shoot that down there to the street gutter, where then we'll push it down to try to get it to go towards the gutters, but sometimes that doesn't work as planned. Anyway, we got that right there rinsed up, and we're going to get back to surface cleaning in just a second here to get this last sidewalk. So we'll be done with this surface cleaning, and we can get on to some rinsing and some post treating. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are finished with this driveway, and this is the finished product. The driveway is still wet. As you can see, we have already post-treated it off camera, rinsed down the street gutter. You can see how it's drying up to the top. It's going to look really nice. It's going to pop nice and hard. This property is going on the market for sale. So the customer was really adamant about having before and after pictures to feel confident that the job was done right, because she is no longer living in this property, and they have a realtor that's gonna sell this property for them. Anyway, we have another driveway to go and do. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are at another driveway, 2-car in Orlando, Florida. This one right here has oak trees on the side of the road, and we have a lot of oak tree leaves. We have some rust staining, which we are not here for that. We are here for the driveway and the walkway. And the walkway that's on this side of the property is what we're focused on. It leads up to the front door. We're going to take care of that. Going to put a post treatment down of 1.5% of sodium hypochlorite. Okay, here we are post treating with the Comet P40 gas powered soft wash system. We are doing the walkway here. Just getting some post treatment down on it, on the side that we have to clean. And it's already from the mix, already changing colors, which that's a good thing. We already had got part of the driveway post treated. Now we're doing the bottom half of it. Just putting a little post down on this bad baby here, and it's reacting. It's a little warmer today. We are in the 70s, upper 70s, so the chem is reacting a little better, because the warmer it is, the faster you can get your reaction from it. So we're gonna post treat this up and do a little bit of the post treatment on the street gutter, because it is stained up really badly from all the oak tree leaves that doesn't get picked up around here. So stay tuned. Okay, here we are surface cleaning this driveway with the 19-inch iceberg surface cleaner. We're using the smaller pressure washer with this one because I had some water in the tank, about 120 gallons. I was seeing, could I get this 2-car driveway finished with 120? But I would have if I didn't treat the concrete with the Comet P40 so heavily. I would have made it, but I actually had to hook up to this water source at this townhouse to get a little water because I did run out. Anyway, we are surface cleaning with this surface cleaner here using a 5.5 GPM machine. Right here, this is my water saver. If I had brought 200 gallons, then I would have been fine for this job. That would have been washing it, surface, that would have been pre-treating it, post-treating it, and surface cleaning it. If I'd have brought 200 gallons on this particular driveway here, the 200 gallons would have been enough to do everything I needed it to do, because this is not a big area that we're doing. The sidewalks are short and the walkway is not long, it's not wide. The street gutters are small, so we could have accomplished that task excuse me, if I had brought more water. Anyway, we're surface cleaning this right here. It's cleaning up well, so I'm gonna let you guys sit back, enjoy this video with this here driveway cleaning, and I will get back to you in the next part. Okay, here we are, all completed. This driveway turned out good. It's still very wet right now, but it's going to dry up and be nice. The street gutters had permanent staining in them. That was a rust spot right over there. We're not here for rust removal, but the concrete turned out good. It's wet, so it's going to dry up and it's going to pop. It's going to be bright, and everything is looking good. I put the garbage cans back in their spot. The walkway turned out nice. It's cracked up a little bit, but it's older walkways. Anyway, you can see all the way up to the door here. We got that done all the way up to that little bin right there. It's nice and cleaned up. This is a completed project. It's 2 down in the books today. See you guys again shortly. More content to come. Thanks for watching.